Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. My name is Laiba, and I am very happy that you are here today. I hope you are doing well and
feeling happy and positive. Today, we are going to talk about a very important and useful topic. Tell me about yourself.
This is the one English question you must master. People ask it everywhere: school, interviews, and especially when meeting someone new.
Let's move on to the video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Thank you.
Many English learners feel nervous when they hear this question. Sometimes they know English words, but they do not know how to start speaking about themselves. Some people become shy, confused, or afraid of making mistakes. But do not worry. In today's episode, I will help you learn how to answer this question in a simple, easy, and confident way. We will learn how to introduce yourself, how to talk about your family and hobbies, how to describe your personality, how to speak clearly and confidently in English. And the best part is that we will use very simple English words and easy sentence structures, so every English learner can understand and practice easily. Remember, you do not need difficult vocabulary to speak good English. Simple English spoken with confidence is powerful. So relax, listen carefully, and practice with me step by step. If you practice every day, your English speaking skills will improve slowly and naturally. Now let's begin our topic. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. This question is very common in English conversations. Many people ask this question when they want to know you better. For example, a teacher may ask this question in class. A job interviewer may ask this question in an interview. A new friend may ask this question when meeting you for the first time. Sometimes people ask this question in online meetings or English-speaking practice groups. When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," they are not asking for your full life story. They only want simple information about you. Usually people talk about their name, their age, their city or country, their work or studies, their hobbies, their personality. For example, you can say, "Hello, my name is Leba. I am from Afghanistan. I am a student, and I love learning English. In my free time, I enjoy reading books and listening to podcasts." This is a simple and good introduction. Many English learners think they need big and difficult words to speak English well, but that is not true. Simple sentences are better because they are easy to understand and easy to remember. For example, I like music. I enjoy reading. I am a friendly person. These short sentences are very useful in real conversations. Also, remember one important thing. There is no perfect answer to this question. Every person is different, so every introduction is different too. The goal is not to sound perfect. The goal is to speak clearly and confidently. So whenever someone asks, "Tell me about yourself," do not feel afraid. Just speak naturally and share simple information about your life. Now, in the next section, we will learn how to give a basic self-introduction in easy English self-introduction in English. A self-introduction is a short way to talk about yourself. It helps other people know who you are. Do not make your introduction very long or very difficult. Simple and clear sentences are the best. There are a few important things you can include in your introduction: your name, your age, your country or city, your work or studies, your hobbies or interests. Let us learn them one by one. First, start with your name. You can say, "My name is Laiba. I am Laiba." "Hello, my name is Ali." These are simple and friendly sentences. Next, you can talk about where you are from. For example, "I am from Afghanistan. I live in Jalalabad. I come from a small city." After that, talk about your studies or work. You can say, "I am a student. I study English. I work in a shop. I am a teacher." Then you can talk about your hobbies or interests. For example, "I like reading books. I enjoy watching movies. I love listening to music. In my free time, I practice English." Now let us see a full example of a basic self-introduction. "Hello, everyone. My name is Leba. I am from Afghanistan and I live in Jalalabad. I am a student and I love learning English. In my free time, I enjoy reading books, listening to podcasts, and watching educational videos. I am a friendly and positive person, and I always try to learn new things. You see, this introduction is simple, clear, and easy to understand. When you practice, try to speak slowly and clearly. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. You can also practice in front of a mirror or record your voice on your phone. This will help improve your confidence and pronunciation. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will feel speaking English. Now, in the next section, we will learn how to talk about family and daily life. Talk about your family and daily life in English. These topics are very common in conversations. People often ask questions about family, home life, and daily routine because they want to know more about you. You do not need difficult grammar or long sentences. Simple English is enough. First, let us talk about family. You can use sentences like, I live with my family. There are 5 people in my family. I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. My family is very kind and supportive. I love spending time with my family. These are easy and natural sentences. Now let us talk about daily life and routine. A daily routine means the things you do every day. For example, I wake up early in the morning. I go to school every day. I study English in the evening. I help my mother at home. I watch videos before sleeping. You can also talk about what you enjoy doing during the day. For example, I like drinking tea in the morning. I enjoy talking with my friends. I spend time reading books. Now let us listen to a short example. I live with my family in Jalalabad. There are 6 people in my family. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. My family is very loving and caring. Every morning I wake up early and prepare for my studies. In the evening I practice English and listen to podcasts. At night I spend time with my family and watch TV together. This example is simple, natural, and easy to understand. When you talk about family and daily life, try to speak honestly and comfortably. Use words you already know. Do not try to memorize very difficult sentences. Remember, English speaking becomes easier when you talk about real things from your own life. Now, in the next section, we will learn how to talk about hobbies and interests. A hobby is something you enjoy doing in your free time. Talking about hobbies is a great way to improve your English speaking because it helps you speak naturally and confidently. People often ask questions like, what are your hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time? What are your interests? These questions are very common in daily conversations, interviews, and English speaking practice. You can answer these questions with simple sentences. For example, my favorite hobby is reading books. I enjoy watching movies. I like listening to music. I love learning English. I enjoy playing football. In my free time, I watch educational videos. These sentences are short, clear, and easy to remember. You can also explain why you like your hobby. For example, I like reading because it helps me learn new things. I enjoy music because it makes me feel relaxed. I love practicing English because I want to speak confidently. Now let us listen to a full example. In my free time, I enjoy learning English and listening to podcasts. I also like watching movies and reading books. Sometimes I spend time with my friends and family. My hobbies help me feel happy and relaxed. I always try to learn something new every day. This is a simple and natural way to talk about hobbies. Remember, there is no right or wrong hobby. Every person likes different things. Some people enjoy sports, while others enjoy art, music, cooking, or traveling. The important thing is to speak clearly and confidently. Also, try to use hobbies in your daily English practice. You can write about them, speak about them, or even record yourself talking about your interests. This will help you improve your vocabulary and speaking fluency. Now, in the next section, we will learn how to talk about personality in English. Personality means the kind of person you are. It describes your behavior, attitude, and the way you treat other people. When someone asks you to talk about yourself, it is good to say a few words about your personality. Do not worry, you do not need difficult vocabulary. Simple personality words are enough. Let us learn some easy and useful personality words. Friendly, kind, honest, helpful, calm, hardworking, positive, funny, creative, confident. Now let us make simple sentences with these words. For example, I am a friendly person. I like helping other people. I am honest and hardworking. I always try to stay positive. I am calm and patient. I enjoy making people happy. These sentences are easy and natural. You can also talk about what you are trying to improve in yourself. For example, I am trying to become more confident in English. I want to improve my communication skills. I always try to learn from my mistakes. This shows a positive attitude and a learning mindset. Now let us listen to a full example. Remember, you do not need to speak perfect English. Speak honestly and naturally. Simple words spoken with confidence sound very powerful. Also, try to practice these personality words in your daily conversations. The more you use them, the easier they will become. Now, in the next section, we will learn how to speak confidently in English and overcome fear while speaking. Today, we learned how to answer the question, "Tell me about yourself," in simple and easy English. We learned step by step how to introduce your name and background, how to talk about your family and daily life, how to share your hobbies and interests, how to describe your personality, how to speak confidently without fear, and how to avoid common mistakes. I hope this episode helped you understand how to speak about yourself in a clear and simple way. Remember one important thing: you do not need perfect English to speak. You just need practice. Speak a little English every day. Do not worry about mistakes. Every mistake is a step toward improvement. If you keep practicing, slowly your English will become better and more natural. Believe in yourself, stay consistent, and never give up. Thank you so much for listening to this podcast. If you enjoyed it, please stay connected for more English learning episodes. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. This is Liba, signing off. Take care and keep practicing English every day. Goodbye.